fried ice cream guys. Try natin. Panoorin natin guys paano lutuin yung ice cream. Prito daw yung ice cream. I-try ko para alam ko yung lasa niya. Wow. Guys, ito na yung ice cream ko na pinirito. Ice cream na fry.